Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every student knows all too well: coffee. Coffee has been enjoyed for over 15 centuries, and every minute 1.56 million cups are consumed globally. The key component is caffeine, the most widely used psychoactive substance in the world. So, is coffee the ultimate study aid or merely a caffeine trap? Let's explore. Whether it's a morning ritual or a late night boost, coffee is the beverage of choice for countless students. But what exactly happens in your brain when you drink coffee? Let's break it down. Too much caffeine can lead to jitters, anxiety, and even a major energy crash. Ever pulled an all-nighter with coffee and then felt like a zombie the next day? Yep, that's the caffeine roller coaster. But wait, there's more to coffee than just staying awake. Did you know that caffeine can actually improve memory and learning? When used in moderation, studies suggest that small doses of caffeine can enhance cognitive performance, making it a great tool for studying. But the key is not overdoing it. So, how do you get the benefits without the drawbacks? Here are some quick tips. Stick to 1 to 2 cups a day, no more than 400 milligrams of caffeine. Avoid coffee right before bed. It can mess with your sleep schedule. Try healthier alternatives like green tea or matcha for a smoother energy boost. Stay hydrated. Coffee dehydrates you, so balance it with water. Pair coffee with protein or healthy fats to avoid sugar crashes. And here's a bonus tip. If you really need coffee for late night study sessions, try a power nap before drinking it. The caffeine kicks in just as you wake up, making you feel even more refreshed. At the end of the day, coffee can be an awesome study companion. But like everything, it's all about balance. So, are you team coffee or team no coffee? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, stay energized and stay smart.